Hi, welcome to my video. Today I discuss about how agents maintain memory. In this video, you will learn about memory systems and short-term memory. What is the difference between two short-term and long-term memory, hands-on coding tutorial, and comparing state and memory, and also about checkpointers. So let's start with short-term memory. Memory short-term memory. When you use a agent, you are interacting with the system and there is information that is needed for that session. So to maintain that information for a very short interval of time, we use short term memory. So memory is very important in systems agents, because every time if agent starts fresh, then it is not useful. So to incorporate memory in agents is very useful. So memory, what is memory? Memory is a system that remember information about previous interactions. For AI agents, memory is crucial because it lets them remember previous interactions, learn from feedback, and adapt to user preferences. So what this definition says, this says that memory is very crucial for agents because it remember previous interactions you are using daily, like Claude, Chat GPT. These systems are all uses memory. So there are two types of memory: short-term memory and long-term memory. So short-term memory lets your application remember previous interactions within a single thread. For example, you start interacting with agent and the session is called thread, and your conversation is started and you interacting this system with for a very for 2 minutes 3 minutes. The memory maintained in this session is short term memory. So to add short term memory, we use thread level persistence to an agent with the help of check pointer. So when creating agent, check pointer is initialized. We see further in when I show you a demo. So what is check pointer? Check pointer is a mechanism automatically saves the current state of the workflow the moment an agent or node finishes its execution. So one execution is uh, finished, the check pointer saves its state. So let's dive into the coding part. So today I'll show you how memory is working in the agents. So today my goal is about short term memory. So for this we use LangGraph, check pointer, SQLite, and LangGraph. Some uh, libraries we require to demonstrate this. So first install these libraries. So after this, use APIs, and to load API in this session we use from .env import load.env, and after that we use create agent and in memory saver function from LangGraph check pointer. So when initialize, so what information we use? So get user info only, uh, uh, because this is very simple task. So we use only one function that get information from the user. So after initialize the agent, so where is memory? Our agent saves in this memory saver. And for this, when we interact a user, it's we give a id with the help of thread id. So here is a thread configure and a user with the help of configurable. So here is a one thread id 1. So with thread id 1, information about name is saved, and it maintain only when this cell is run. So let's see. So our response is get with the help of invoke function, and in the same session, in the same cell execution, I ask the agent what is my name, and it answers safely that your name is Ikram. So let's see what happens. So it gives hello Ikram, it's nice to meet you, and it also answered this question, what is my name? Your name is Ikram. So in memory saver function works only for this thread. So when initialize a second thread and ask about the hi, what is my interest, and it saves the interests of mine with second id. You know, two, I give two. So when we run this cell and it stores interests, hello again, now I can help you with today, feel free to specific. Okay, now when we ask about the agent with that what is my name and interest, and it is not give my name. You see, I don't have your name on file. So you see clearly that on in saver memory works only for thread level, that only execute for the for a single session. So if we want to use memory in agents, so we have to initialize a database. So for this I use today SQLite saver, that is very easy to set up. You only install this land graph checkpoint SQLite by using this command uv uv add or uv pip install land graph checkpoint SQLite. uv pip. In my case, it already checked one package in, it already installed. So when you start the this so when all the requirement you install, then this is installed already. So after that, the information of a session or any other, it saves in this memory. So let's see SQLite initializes, and check pointer is a SQLite saver. In the previous cell, you see check pointer is the in saver memory. You see this here is check pointer is a in memory saver, and here check pointer is SQLite saver. So all the information is saved in this database SQLite. So we start the conversation with thread ID user one. So all the information related to user one is saved in. So my name is Muhammad Ikram. I want to save this with the help of agent, and here you see human message is my name is Muhammad Ikram, and AI message nice to meet you. Human message, what do you know about me? AI message, you told me that your name is Muhammad Ikram. All these messages are saved in previous. So what do you know about me? I asked, and it tell me that your name is Muhammad Ikram. You are a Python developer. That's tell I know about you from this conversation. And in previous the above cell memory gone, and in this memory saves in the database. Can you tell me about my interest? It gives the answer nicely. So with this our database connection is closed, so it gives false, then okay, fine. So now I want to show you that where is our database. It creates this memory.db and save all the information in this database. And here the checkpoint uses checkpoint and metadata. If we uh, open the any checkpoint, it gives the information. Here you see that's all the conversation that is done with the agent is saved here. Your name is Mohammed Ikram. You are a Python developer. That's tellable. AI message, human message, all the information are saved in your browser. And hope you enjoy this session and learn about memory and how to incorporate memory saver in saver memory, and how to save the information in a database. Thanks for the session. Please like, share, subscribe. Allah.